YouTube? Hope y'all having fun on y'all's holiday breaks. I'm about to get back to work. So I got this sledge around my birthday. Man, I love it. It's a beast, man. Only problems I had is when I try to upgrade it. I recommend keep it stock. You know, keep it stock as long as possible. You know, you can change the arms and stuff. That doesn't really mess it up. But once you start messing with the gears, if you don't know what you're doing, like I was at the beginning, oh man, this thing sat around for like 2 months. I didn't even mess with it. I was just putting money in it, money after money after money. But that was my fault, trying to keep up other ideas that people were doing and thinking it would make mine better. But you know, we live and learn. All right, that's the sledge. We'll go bash that later on. All right. I'm not even gonna try to say his name. Gourmet. Gourmet dual basket air fryer. Oh crap. Alright, today we got a double-decker dual basket air fryer. You can air fry, you can bake, you can roast, you can broil, you can dehydrate, you can reheat, keep warm, or also you can proof. Oh yeah, 4 layers cooking too. Ooh, you know your boy gonna. I love me some chicken wings, y'all. Ever since I've been doing my diet and trying to eat healthy, you know, I already been through like 2 air fryers in the last year. So let's see how this one does, y'all. Let's get a knife and let's cut this open. All right, y'all, here we go. Give a thanks out to my aunts. They got this for my Christmas present. Oh yeah, open to explore the world of healthy eating. Alright, like most air fryers, you know, they want you to heat it up for 30 minutes to get that little, it's like a plastic smell. So we'll do that. Here later, they got a little code in there you can download for recipes and stuff. We'll check that out. You know, I know what I'm doing, but I like to get other ideas, you know. I don't know everything for sure. And when you think you know everything, it's a rude awakening. So every day is a new learning day. Even when it comes to the RC cars or the Mustang or real life or even food. Alright, let's see. Psych, it's another car. I'm just kidding. Drop the knife. Oh, we're getting old, folks. Alright, let's see what we got. It's like taking a wrap off a new RC car. Oh yeah, folks. Look at this thing, it's huge. Ooh-wee. Nice one. Take off these racing stripes. A little GT action I see it has. Ooh, the door folds out like that. Look at that, folks. Look at that. You don't want to see it? Ooh, disappeared. Alright. Drop Knife again, almost took my foot off. Be careful with knives, folks. Do not play with knives. Alright. Got some more GT stripes. Let's get those off. Boy, shoot. It actually matches the Mustang. Oh, yeah. Speaking of the Mustang, boy, we got it up and we got it running. Man, it was only a $31 fix. We got it up. Basket, like, anything. I believe that's the double layer, so you like, whoop, press it down like that. Alright, get that down like that. And you can put something right there, and you can also, bam, put some right there, put your meat on the bottom, veggies on top, voila. Ooh, we're gonna eat good tonight, folks. I got chicken wings. We're gonna fry up some chicken wings in the air fryer. Cajun style, that's how we do it down here in Louisiana. So my goal for doing this channel is really mainly for RC cars, but I do cook. So I show people, I'm not trying to tell you how to cook or anything like that. I may show a recipe or two maybe down the line, but mainly I just like to show people what I've done that day or that week. And mainly this channel is about cars because I love RC cars and I just got in the hobby not too long ago. And down here in Baton Rouge, I live in Gonzales, Louisiana, about 20 minutes away from Baton Rouge. But there's not really a big scene around here. I think there's more of a scene around Lake Charles area, and that's like 2.5 hours away. And I'm not complaining. I know if I really wanted to go, I could go, but everybody knows about RC cars. Once you get to somewhere, sometimes the car might break down. And I just don't want to take that chance unless I'm maybe spending the night or something in a hotel room. But my goal is to get other people into the hobby. You know, it's helped me from working on the small cars to taking it to my big car, you know, getting the courage to doing it, you know, and then watching other YouTube videos, you know. I'm not trying to be big or famous or anything like that. I just want to get more people involved in RC cars around here in Gonzales, Louisiana. And I know they got people in New Orleans that do the drag racing. I would love to get into that. That's only about a 50-minute drive. That'd be worth the drive for sure. But like I said, I'm just learning about the hobby right now, slowly getting into it. Because all that stuff looks intimidating. I don't want to go out there and get my butt whooped, which I know that's part of the learning experience. It is what it is, you know? Well, that's a little bit about me, but let's get back to this little air fryer. We're gonna tear it up. We're about to put some chicken wings in. I got some veggies. We might do some French fries, potatoes. Potato fries, I call it. Not like French fries, you know. Oh yeah, I'll get back to y'all. Oh yeah, we got it plugged in. Now we're gonna start off with the appetizer, boudin. If y'all know. It's that pepper jack boudin, baby. Oh yeah, now check out these beautiful chicken wings that we got, baby. Threw a little bit of Cajun season, a little bit of butter, Man, fry them things up for 20 minutes, then flip them over for another 10 minutes. Whew. I'm telling you, falling off the bone, baby. That's how we do it. And then here we got some grilled asparagus. I put it on the bake side for about 10 minutes. Oh my God. The mushrooms and asparagus came out just right. Oh yeah, let's get them batteries charged up and ready. Let's take that XRT out that we just got. We were gonna take the sledge out, but been having some problems with it, like I said earlier in the video. So I'm gonna hopefully get that back up and running again next week. I also met up with some guys in our RC club that's around that we do meet up. They had some RC boats going, so I took some video of that. Thought that was pretty cool. I don't have a boat yet. Maybe one day we'll get a boat for the channel. Really been looking at the Traxxas Disruptor. Really want to check one of those out. Actually, one of the guys had one out there, and I really liked it a lot. So we might be getting one here one day. Oh yeah, YouTube, this is coming to an end. Thank y'all so much. Please go down, push some thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much. This is RC Chef Chevy. We're out.